Open your browser and search for Smail Pro, then press Enter. Wait for the website to load and open the first result with smailpro.com. Once you're on the website, as you can see, it has already generated a Gmail address for me, but I don't want to use that one. So what you can do is click on Activate All Gmails or Outlook. And after it finishes loading, click on Create. After clicking on Create, you'll see that you can generate a random email address, whether it's Google, Microsoft, or any other option you need. So after clicking Create, simply choose the type of email you want. Here, it generated an email address for me, the one I highlighted. But I don't want to use that one, so I'm going to create a fresh one instead. Click on Google, then click on Generate. You can choose any server you want. After clicking Generate, it will create another Gmail address for you. Now click on the Gmail address and copy it. To show you that it's actually working, I'll open a new tab and search for Medium. I'll go to the Medium website and click on Get Started so I can register using the Gmail address I just generated. Now I'll click on Sign Up with Email and then paste the email address I generated from Smail Pro. I'll also enter a random name in the full name section. You can enter any name you want. As you can see, the Gmail address matches the one I just entered on Medium. So now I'll click on Create Account. As you can see, Medium requested a verification code sent to the email address we generated in Smail Pro. If you go back to Smail Pro and reload the page, you'll see that a code has been received, which means the Gmail is working. And here's the code I received from Medium. So I'll copy the code, paste it into Medium, and click on Submit. As you can see, I've successfully created a Medium account using the Gmail address we generated, which proves that it works. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.